Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress timeline plugin, and what it actually is. It's the you can create these fan pages, really easy by just adding the plugin to your WordPress install. Okay, so it'll be this download link on the download page. So what you're going to want to do is just head on over to your content folder, go to the plugins area, and just upload the timeline WP timeline plugin. And you're going to want to head over to your plugin area and what you don't want to do, and one thing that I'm finding out while making these install videos, is I'm installing a lot of these on the same domain, and like the Easy Builder, I had to deactivate it before I installed the mobile coupon. There may be some conflicts, so you don't want to put these all on one domain. It just really depends on how you're going to be using them. So let me pause the video while these files are heading over. Alright, you can see that my WordPress timeline plugin is in there. Let me refresh this page here. Let me activate it. Alright, and as you can see, I'm getting an error message here. Looks like it's conflicting with my WordPress local deals theme. So let me pause the video. Okay, I went ahead and installed I went over and moved a new theme in. Okay, so it's not going to work with the WordPress local deals installed, so you want to make sure that doesn't happen. So let me go over to my plugins again. Let me activate it, and now there's no conflict. Okay, so just make sure we're not putting all these things all in one domain, because they might not work. Alright, so you have this little area right here, Facebook timeline. Let me add a new one. Is a sample timeline post. Alright, so this is my content up here, and then as you can see that down here, you could change the layout, you could change the textures of how you want it designed, and then you'll be able to download your graphic. You have navigation that you can change, your tabbed content. There's a lot. It looks like there's a lot that goes into this, and you can customize your footer as well. Okay, so go ahead and open that. So what it does is it's just actually giving you the opportunity to change all these things. So let me publish and see what we got here. Alright, you can see I don't have much because I didn't do much on here. It just has my content right in here. But you can see that the width of this is 810. So also make sure that this is installed on a domain that has an SSL certificate. Let's see if I can just pick an image here. Let's see how that changes things. Okay, yeah, I threw that in as my header. So if you want to just upload your header, you just hit select files and go ahead and select the one that you want, or you can go ahead and fix your header. Change all that, the texture, and then download the graphic. Okay, so here's the graphic snapshot. I'm going to put that on just on my desktop there, and then I'll select it, snapshot. We go ahead and update my file, refresh that, and there's my new header. So pretty cool. You know, what you can do is you can use this as just kind of a sample, and if you had any other images to throw in, you can go ahead and, you know, fix those. Yeah, I could play all day with this. So, okay, so that's basically what you're going to be doing, and you can go ahead and preview it. You can see here how my navigation changed to the brushed metal. But a lot of different things that you can do, changing your layout, and then again, you just go ahead and change your text right in here just by typing in whatever you want. Really simple. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps, and look forward to seeing some fan pages.